Lily Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny.
Lily, we're doing something cool today.
What are we doing?
We're gonna do cavatappi with broccoli, garlic oil, and pine nuts.
Pine nuts?
A little texture.
And cavatappi?
A little richness. And cavatappi, it's a kind of pasta. One of the things that I'm very passionate about is reducing food waste. I'm gonna show you something really cool to do with this broccoli pasta.
Okay.
Utilizing all of the broccoli.
Awesome.
So what we did is we cut off the crowns, and then we're left with these stems. We're just gonna give them a rough chop. So that's gonna go into boiling water. Our florets blanched already. We have our pasta cooked already. So we're gonna take our broccoli stems with some of our pasta water. We're gonna heat up a little chicken stock now. We're gonna take some of our garlic confit. We got our chicken stock simmering. We're gonna put that in. And now we're gonna take a little bit of our pecorino romano, and now we're gonna blend. So now we're gonna take our garlic confit here. We're gonna give our broccoli a nice toss. Now we're gonna add some of our broccoli sauce to the party. We're gonna just garnish this with a good amount of pecorino romano and some nice toasted pine nuts. And that is it. There you go.
I love it. Healthy and easy. So go ahead, try this at home. Head to our website, news12.com, and you'll find the recipe then. Beautiful.
My pleasure as always.